Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to save for a car with Digits. Are you looking to buy a car anytime soon? Well, Digits can help you to hit that savings goal stress-free. Let me show you how it's done. First step, open the Digit app and log into your account, and once you're in, tap on savings goals. Step 2, tap create a new goal. Name it something like new car or down payment and whatever else you want to name it. Step 3, enter exactly how much you want to save. For example, $5,000 for a used car down payment. Then you're going to pick your deadline, say 12 months from today. Digit will then calculate how much to save each day and do it automatically. Step 4, choose between automated savings, Digits save based on your spending habits, or you can choose manual contributions where you are the one who is going to impute your savings by yourself. Step 5, keep track of your goals progress in your dashboard. You can also pause or boost savings anytime. A bonus tip, you can set up roundup or payday savings to help to accelerate your car savings. With Digit, your dream car gets closer every day, no spreadsheets and no stress. Tap to like if this helped and subscribe for more smart money tips, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another video in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.